Digging into the past, expressing likes and dislikes. Hello, English learners. In today's lesson, we are going to dive into a fascinating aspect of conversational English. We'll explore how to ask about past likes and dislikes using the phrases, "Why did you like?" and "Why did he, she like?" This will help us understand the reasons behind someone's preferences in the past. So, buckle up and let's get started. Firstly, we need to comprehend the structure of these phrases. When we use, "Why did you like?" or "Why did he, she like?" we are essentially seeking an explanation for a past preference. For instance, "Why did you like that movie?" or "Why did she like to visit the beach?" Here, like is a verb that refers to a past liking, indicated by the past tense, did. Let's begin with the phrase, "Why did you like?" This phrase is used when we're interested in knowing the reasons behind someone else's previous liking. For example, consider the sentence, "Why did you like the Italian restaurant we went to last night?" Here, we are asking the listener for the specific reasons they enjoyed the Italian restaurant. The phrase, "Why did he, she like?" is very similar in usage to, "Why did you like?" It's used when we're curious about a third person's past liking. For example, "Why did he like studying in the library?" In this case, we're asking about the reasons behind a third person's preference for studying in the library in the past. Now, let's try some practice. You can come up with your own responses or discuss these questions with a friend. 1. Why did you like the book you finished last week? 2. Why did she like playing basketball when she was a child? 3. Why did you like your previous job? 4. Why did he like spending his vacations in Spain? Remember, the goal is to express the reasons behind past likes or preferences. Fantastic job, everyone! Now you know how to ask about past likes and dislikes using "Why did you like?" and "Why did he, she like?" This will certainly enhance your conversation skills, particularly when discussing past events or experiences. Keep practicing and don't forget, every step you take is a step closer to becoming fluent in English. See you in the next lesson.